Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to do a quick video on some of the things that I'm interested in getting in 2022. If you're interested, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that is on my wish list for 2022 would be a SPEEDY 25. Yes, another SPEEDY, but this time not in the monogram print. It will be in the Empreinte leather. So I really love the bag. The black and white, I think, is a vibe. I really like this bag. So hopefully, I'm not sure if this is a limited edition piece or if it's a part of their permanent line, but I'm definitely interested in this particular handbag. So that's the first item. The second item that I'm interested in getting, and I could have had this already, but it's just one of those things where it's like, it's not a rush. If you get it, you get it. You don't, you don't. It's a HERMES bracelet. I currently have one in white with gold, and I would like a black one. I'm not sure if I want it with silver or black with gold, but I can definitely find this on the pre-love market. So I'm not really stressed about this one too much. So that's probably why I haven't moved forward with purchasing it in 2021. But definitely in 2022, if I see one, I might just get it this year. So that's the second item. The third item I'm interested in is a chain bracelet or necklace. So I'm not sure if I want the bracelet, I'm not sure if I want the necklace, but I definitely want the chain link bracelet or necklace in gold. So this does not have to come from a high-end company. I can do a contemporary company that sells them. So but I just want a particular thickness. It has to be like, it has to give that because some of them are like kind of on a thin side. So I need one that is of good quality. So I'm gonna wait for that one. So that's number 3. My battery is flashing. So number 4, maybe a new camera. I have the Canon T7i, and it's a good camera, but honestly, it's just too much to use. I really haven't been able to master this camera since I received it. So I think I just want a point and shoot camera, which is something I think I need instead of using my iPhone all the time. So I'm actually filming this on my camera. It's a Canon. So maybe a Sony or something of the sort. We'll see. So that's number 4. Number 5, what do I want? This is something that I really want. It's not like the other items. All items I want, but it's not like, oh my god, I need them. I want a Chanel flat bag in mini. I want a particular color. So that's a goal of mine for 2022. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. But I do have a lot of handbags. I do love my handbags, but I'm extremely interested in a Chanel mini flat bag. So that's my wish list for 2022. Short and sweet. I don't think it's nothing out of the ordinary or too extreme. I think it's a true representation of who I am, and it speaks to who I am. So that's it. Remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.